Oh. Uh-oh. Stopped. What the hell is that?
Can you see anything?
No. Do you see anything?
No. Can you see anything through that?
Only things that are close.
Well, that sounds like a frog, but the other ones are flying frogs.
Flying frogs.
I haven't a clue.
Uh-oh.
Birds don't go out at night, do they?
What the?
What, did it pass by us?
Yeah.
Where?
It's something that flies.
Oh, God, maybe it's a bat. Bats don't make noise, though. They have sonar, you know, they... Listen. Isn't it? It's not dead. It's not even here. I'm just here with Rita. We're filming this. I mean, she's filming it. Yeah. I don't know what it is, Robbie. We still haven't found out.